Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video I'm showing you one of my projects. As you see, a Cajun accordion. This can be 3D printed, fully 3D printed, even the reed sounding reeds, and even the bellows can be 3D printed, but it is still work in progress. I'm still working on it because I need to test it also myself. I need to print it and test it and find the design flaws and fixing the design flaws, and I hope it will be published in just in three months. I have also financial problems. I don't have any job. For example, I want to show you this part. I tried to design so that the model is monolithic as much as possible. As you see, mostly monolithic and has less parts. Here is the bass section, very small, and even the bellow can be 3D printed in PETG. Other parts can be printed in PLA just, and the most problematic part is the bellow, because I will show you why. Because you may need some kind of tool. Now I will show you. Here is to be able to squeeze the bellow like this, like squeezing like a WinRAR. You may need, for example, this bellow is 25 centimeters long, 20 centimeters wide, and you can print in a average printer, but you may need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of them. Printing the same bellow 13 times. That can be very long, and you will need some kind of welding tool to weld the PETG parts together like this, with a heat. And that's it. See you in the next video.